Why am I talking about how I ended up no contact with my family? The simple reason is I know that there are those who have been through similar experiences and who feel very alone and have been subjected to the crazy making by abusive family members. And so I'm hoping that by sharing my story, there will be those who hear it and say, oh, wow, that's just like what happened to me. And that it will help them to recognize that abusive people are the same in many ways. They have the same kinds of patterns of behavior. And it has never been that you are crazy. It's been that you've been trying to work with people who are determined to manipulate you and use you and determined to make you question everything that you're experiencing. So that's why I share it. It's not because I'm proud or because I feel happy about the fact that I have no contact with my family. I hate it, honestly. It's never what I wanted. Yet, I understand that by sharing my story, there are those who will recognize, oh, this can happen to anyone, and this is what happened to me. So that's who I'm sharing it for. How did I end up no contact with my parents and brother? That's a longer story even than the one I told last time about how we ended up no contact with my in-laws. So I'll share it with you in bits and pieces, and if you want to follow along, you're welcome. And if you don't understand why someone would go no contact with family members, then probably you should just skip the next few videos.